Hi, I'm hanging out at a kissing booth today at Camp Canine. One of the great things about Santa Barbara, it is a very, very dog-friendly community, and a lot of things for dogs to do here. Hey, who's this?
Hi, Paul.
Hi. Hey, handsome.
What
How are you?
doing here?
I'm hanging out at the kissing booth hoping to get doggy kisses.
I'm just dropping off Bodie before I go in the office. This is one of my favorite places and fabulous dog resources for Bodie.
Very good, very good.
Hi, Allie.
Hi, Allie.
Hi, Bodie.
Here's your favorite dog.
Hello.
Allie, will you take a picture of us with the kissing booth?
Of course, yeah.
Okay. So what do we do?
So Bodie can go back here.
Okay.
Hi, Bodie. Hi. Good boy. Good
Oh,
boy.
hello. Hi, handsome.
That's so cute. So Allie, how long have you been working at Camp Canine?
I've been working at Camp Canine for a little over a year now, and it is the best job. I mean, we just get to hang out with dogs all day, and you really couldn't ask for anything more than that.
That's great.
Let's go inside and see what happens.
He's going right for the treats.
Good boy. Good boy.
Camp Canine has all sorts of cool gear and toys for your pooch, so make sure you stop by and pay him a visit. And if you'd like to find a new house and yard for your dog, please give us a call. We'd love to help you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.